Right now, you're moving faster than a bullet. You don't feel it. You don't see it. But if the Earth stopped spinning for just 1 second, everything you know would end in a way you can't even imagine. Here's the thing nobody tells you. The ground under your feet isn't still. It's spinning at over 1,000 miles an hour at the equator. Think about sticking your hand out the window of a car going that fast. Now imagine that car slamming into a wall. That's basically what stopping means for a planet. Let's start with you. Your body this exact second is traveling at roughly 1,000 miles per hour because the Earth is carrying you along with it. You don't feel this speed for the same reason you don't feel a plane's speed at cruising altitude. Everything around you is moving at the same rate, so it feels like nothing's happening at all. But speed only feels invisible when it's constant. The moment it changes, your body knows immediately. Ever slammed on the brakes in a car? Your body keeps moving forward even after the car stops. That's inertia. Now scale that up to an entire planet stopping in 1 second instead of over several seconds like a car braking. If the Earth stopped that fast, you wouldn't stop with it. Your body would keep moving at 1,000 miles per hour, while the ground beneath you suddenly didn't. And here's the surprising part. You wouldn't just fall over. You'd be launched instantly, faster than any bullet ever fired by a gun. And it's not just people. The atmosphere itself is spinning with the Earth. If the ground stopped, but the air kept moving at that same speed, we'd get winds faster than anything in recorded history. Hurricanes look like a gentle breeze by comparison. Entire forests, buildings, and coastlines would simply be scraped off the surface of the planet. Then there's the ocean. Water doesn't hold on to the ground the way solid rock does. If the Earth's crust suddenly stopped moving, the oceans would keep going, sliding across continents in waves higher than skyscrapers. This wouldn't be a tsunami caused by an earthquake. This would be every ocean on Earth trying to keep spinning at once. Here's the fact that changes how you see all of this. None of this destruction actually comes from the Earth stopping. It comes from everything else refusing to stop with it. The real danger was never the planet slowing down. It's the fact that you, the air, and the oceans are all still obeying the laws of motion the planet just broke. So, here's the answer to the question that hooked you at the start. If the Earth stopped spinning for 1 second, you wouldn't feel a gentle pause. You'd feel nothing at all. Because you, the atmosphere, the oceans, and everything not bolted directly into bedrock would be violently thrown eastward at over 1,000 miles per hour. All at once, before your brain even had time to register what happened. It's not the stopping that kills you. It's the difference between your speed and the ground's speed. And that gap becomes instantly, catastrophically lethal. This is what makes physics genuinely unsettling once you understand it. The stability of your entire life, your house, your morning coffee, your ability to stand up straight, depends on something continuing to happen exactly the way it's been happening for 4.5 billion years, without interruption. Even the moon plays a role here, slowly stealing Earth's spin over millions of years, which means our days actually are getting longer. Just so slowly, you'll never notice it in your lifetime. So the next time someone says the world stopped for a second, remind them that if it actually did, there'd be no one left to notice. What other everyday thing that you never think twice about is secretly the only thing keeping you alive?